are fine. You must be missing your friends, going out with them, playing with them at the park. So, today I am going to tell you a story about a park keeper named Partho. So, please take out your English course book, page number 24. Partho. Partho is the name of a park keeper. And do you know, Partho is a proper noun. Partho is a proper noun. Park keeper. Park keeper is a common noun. Park keeper is a common noun. So, let's start the chapter. Now take out page number 24. Now I will read and explain the chapter. Now can you start, children? Yes. Partho was a park keeper. Partho was a park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. He worked with 5 other people. He and his team kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. Partho loved his job. Now, see, Partho was a park keeper. Partho was a park keeper. Do you know park keeper is a noun? Someone who takes care of the park. What does it mean? Someone who takes care of the park is called park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. He worked with other 5 people. He and his team. Team is also a noun and it is a collective noun. It is a collective noun. Partho loved his job. Partho loved his job. Who loved his job? Partho. So Partho was a park keeper and he along with his team of 5 other people worked together in a park to keep it clean and do the maintenance work. Partho loved his work. Partho loved his work and he didn't like to tell people to go away from the park. Now, once every year, the park was closed for cleaning. Once every year, the park was closed for cleaning. No one could use the park then. No one could use the park then. This year, the park was closed on a weekend. This year, the park was closed on a weekend. Weekend is also a noun. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. So once every year the park remained closed. Once every year the park remained closed for repairing work. But this year the park was closed on weekend. It means Saturday and Sunday. It means Saturday and Sunday. And his team were very busy for 2 days. For how many days they were busy? They were busy for 2 days. And who were busy? Partho and his team. They went around the park doing many things. They went around the park doing many things. On Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. Litter, L-I-T-T-E-R. It is also a noun. And litter means pieces of waste paper, bottles and so on lying on the ground. And so on lying on the ground means pieces of waste paper and bottles and so many things. People should throw rubbish only in the bins, said Partho. What is the meaning of rubbish here? Rubbish means things that people do not want and throw away. Rubbish means things that people do not want and throw away. And rubbish is also a noun. Rubbish is also a noun. His team nodded. Do you know what is the meaning of nodded? Nodded here is a verb. Nodded is a verb. Nodded means moved the head up and down to say yes. Up and down. Nodded means move your head up and down like this to say yes. And it is a verb. So, Partho's team nodded their head. Now, Partho with his team got busy doing. Partho with his team got busy doing many things. And on Saturday they picked up the waste paper and bottles lying on the ground here and there, and they put it in the bins. And they put it in the bins and in the large bags. Then Partho said people should. Then what did Partho say? Partho said that people should throw waste, paper, bottles, and so many things which were lying on the ground. They should throw in the dustbin. They should not throw here and there. Suppose whenever we go to the park, children, have you ever been to the park? Yes, for enjoying picnic and for so many purposes. So whenever we go to picnic, we should not throw cold drink bottles, then paper plates, glasses, and many things here and there. We should keep it in a large bag, or we should throw in the dustbin to make the park neat and clean. In the same way, Partho and his team, they got busy doing many things. Like what they were doing there, they were collecting the papers, waste papers, bottles, etc. And they threw these things in the bin and planted new seeds. Weeded is a verb, and it means moved the plants that were not wanted. And weeded is the past form of weed. Weeded is the past form of weed. Nodded is past form of nod. So weeded is a verb, and it means moved the plants that were not wanted, means unwanted plants. Flower beds means it is also a noun, and it means long neat rows of plants with flowers. Long neat rows of plants with flowers. So they weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds, means they removed the unwanted plants and they planted new seeds. They trimmed the grass. Trimmed, it is a verb, and it means cut the top part. Means they cut the grass. They scrubbed the swings. Scrubbed here. Scrubbed is a verb, and it is the past form of scrub, and it means rubbed something hard to clean it. They scrubbed the swings, seesaws, and slides. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. Fixed here is a verb. It is used as a verb here. It means make something that is broken work again. So Partho and his team, they scrubbed the swings. Slides, seesaws, and they fixed the merry-go-round again. Okay, they fixed the merry-go-round again. Now the broken merry-go-round was also repaired during the day. So happy. The children will be so happy. Partho smiled. Means after so much of hard work, Partho was happy, as the children would be delighted to see the beautiful park. They painted all the benches in the park. On Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. Partho told his team, we must put up notices that say, wet paint next to the benches. Put up is a verb. It means sew something so that everyone can see it. Notices, it is a noun. It means words or pictures on a piece of paper. Or cardboard that tell you something important. So on Sunday, Partho and his team painted all the benches in the park. When did they paint all the benches in the park? On Sunday. They painted all the benches in the park. Now Partho told his team. What did he tell his team? He told his team, we must put up notices. We must put up notices that say weight paint next to the benches. By evening, the work was finally done. By evening, the work was finally done. Means the work was completed. Everyone was tired. Means after doing so much work, they were very tired. Means everyone was tired. So they sat on a bench. They sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. Snacks here, it is a noun. And what does it mean? Light meal between meals. Light meal between meals. They looked around and felt happy. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked new. The park looked new. But when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. Their backs were covered in paint. Means by evening the work was finally done. Means the work was complete. Now everyone was very tired. So after by the evening everyone was tired. So they all sat on the bench and enjoyed some hot tea and snacks. When they looked around, they felt very happy. Why did they feel very happy? They felt happy as the park looked new. As the park looked new. When they all got to leave for their homes, they noticed that their backs were painted in. Their backs were covered in paint. Their backs were covered in paint. Oh no, said Partho. Oh no, said Partho. We should have put up the weight paint notices before we sat down. We should have put up the weight paint notices before we sat down. Everyone laughed. Everyone laughed. Now what do you think must have happened with them? What do you think must have happened with them, children? Yes, they sat on the weight paint. They sat on the weight paint as they forgot to put the notice next to the benches. So everyone laughed. So everyone laughed. The chapter is over. So you will read the chapter Part 2, The Park Keeper, Lesson 4, Toys at Your Home, and you will learn the word meaning given in your book. Now, I have given some opposite words and some verbs and their past form from your chapter. Now, opposite words: clean, dirty, love, hate, close, open, new, old, happy, sad, before, after, laugh, cry. Now, some verb and their past form: work, worked, keep, kept, close, closed, pick, picked, nod, nodded, read, readed, trim, trimmed, scrub, scrubbed, smile, smiled, feel, felt, enjoy, enjoyed, cover, covered, look, looked, sit, sat, laugh, laughed. Now children, now I am going to ask you some question from the chapter Partho, the Park Keeper. Now, children, can you tell me who was Partho? Yes, Partho was a park keeper. Who was Partho? Partho was a park keeper. Now, my second question is, what did Partho and his team do on Saturday? What did Partho and his team do on Saturday? Yes, on Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. On Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. Now my last question is, what work did Partho and his team do on Sunday? What work did Partho and his team do on Sunday? Yes, on Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. On Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. So children, I have explained the chapter. You will read the chapter twice at home. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.